Sometimes we may not find the save files of the location that are particularly needed to our research. In that case, we need to create data, points, polygons, and lines, for example, to our project. Mapnote is the option to do that. Let's go to the University of Manitoba. Let's take an example, which is we want to show the locations where geese inhabit in the area around the University of Manitoba. We may not find the GIS data in this case. If so, we need to create those locations. For that purpose, we can use MapNote tool in ArcGIS Online. The data we create can be included in the map and saved and exported as shapefiles. Let's go to MapNote. Click on Add and click on MapNote. Give the title of the MapNote. Now, this screen appears. We see here different kinds of tools for locating points, lines, and polygons or area. We can draw different shapes to represent the area, such as the movement of geese, areas where geese stay overnight as their temporary habitat places. Let's select the area and draw the area to show the locations. I'm creating a rectangle here, which is just beside the NRI. Let's write the title and provide description and close this. If we don't want this shape, we can delete. Let's also draw another area to show the location, which is near the Faculty of Law. Likewise, let's choose another area which is near the football stadium. I had seen geese on the shore of Red River. They were swimming and having fun there. Let's also create shape to show that area. This way, we can create shapes to represent the information that we want to draw. To complete your drawing, just do double click. Likewise, I can add points or stick pins and other shapes using the tools available in the map note. Let's click back. Now we can see our map note. Click on the three dots and click on the Save Layer to save this data as a layer in ArcGIS Online. Let's provide a title so we can find that in the Contents section in the home page, and then click Create Item. Now I want to save this MapNote data as a shapefile so I can use that in GIS software. For that purpose, click on Analysis tab, go to Manage Data, and then Extract Data. Check the layer to extract and give the name of your export. Click Run Analysis. Now it is showing the data is being extracted. I saved the MapNote as a layer and also extracted the data as a shapefile. Now let's save what we have done so far, and then let's go to the Content tab to check our layer and exported file. Here we can see the shapefile as well as the feature layer. I am downloading the shapefile. Let's click on the layer. It is showing this screen. I can open this in ArcGIS Pro as well. Now let's open it in Map Viewer. Now we see two layers. The layer on the top is the layer that we opened from the content section. Let's remove this layer from now and let's import the shapefile that I just downloaded. See, these are the locations that we created in the map note and exported. I can work on the symbology and transparency to match the color and display. We can also see the attribute table. Let's display the data based on the description. It is showing the information that I entered in the map note. In this way, we can use map notes to create our GIS data such as points, polygons, lines, and other shapes such as arrows. To summarize, in this video, I showed you how to use MapNote and the tools to create the GIS data for our project that we cannot find in other sources and save the data as a layer file and also as a shape file.